As a family, we've decided that 3 out of the 7 days will be meat-free days. So tonight, we're having meat-free pizza with Happy Days pizza bases. And I'm making a roasted bell pepper pizza with onion, parmesan, and baby greens. Hashtag meat-free Monday, Thursday, Sunday. Hey, what are you doing? This is not appropriate. Can you just keep to the script? Let's just get started. You will need red and yellow bell peppers sliced, red onion, also sliced, crushed garlic, salt and pepper, dry oregano, baby greens, and capers. Now, in an oven-proof dish, place your bell peppers and the red onions. Add your crushed garlic, a drizzle of olive oil, your dry oregano, add salt and coarse pepper, and mix, ensuring the bell peppers and onions are well coated. And in the oven for 40 minutes, preheated to 180 degrees. I want the bell peppers nice and soft, that's why I'm doing it this way. And 40 minutes later, look at that. Set aside, and let's bring out your 2 bases. And now the Parmesan, 100 grams, which I've mixed with 100 grams of grated mozzarella. And on the pizza it goes. Now top with the bell peppers and onions. When this melts, heaven. And in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes, preheated to 200 degrees. Yes, look at that. Let's slice lengthways, and the second pizza, we slice the traditional way. Now garnish with baby greens, and lastly some capers, and call in the troops. No meat dinner, just look at that cheese. Delicious.
Dad, is there more pizza?
Seriously? I made 2. Kids.